Hi guys, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Beyonce.
And today we're going to be talking about fruits, or in Bisaya, Prutas.
So let's start now.
The first fruit we need to know what the word in Bisaya is apple.
So we call apple Mansanas.
Mansanas is apple.
Mansanas.
The next fruit is banana.
We call banana in Bisaya as saging. Saging.
Banana is saging. Then we're going to move on to watermelon. So how do we say that one?
Watermelon is pakwan. Pakwan. Watermelon.
Watermelon, pakwan. The next fruit is mango. How do we say mango in Bisaya?
We say mangga. Mangga.
So that one's very easy, very similar. Mangga is mango. The next fruit I'd like to know is orange.
In Bisaya, we say orens. Orens.
So again, another very similar one to the original word. Orange is orens. Moving on now, we have the word for coconut.
If it's a young coconut, we say butong. A young coconut is called butong. If it's an old coconut, we say lubi. Lubi for old coconut.
So a young coconut is butong and an old coconut is lubi. Our next fruit is guava. So how do we say guava in Bisaya?
We say bayabas. Bayabas. Guava.
Guava is bayabas. Our last fruit we're going to give you today is the one which is jackfruit. So how do we say jackfruit?
Jackfruit in Bisaya is nangka. Nangka.
Jackfruit is Nangka. So guys, that wraps up this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Don't forget to put on comments and suggestions for any future videos that you want us to cover.
And as always guys, have a great day.
Salamat for watching our videos. Bye!
Bye!